Taiwan is located at the junction of the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. The active plate tectonics resulted in the diversity of Taiwan's geological terrain. However, there have some features may lead to disasters, such as high elevation, steep slope, and weak geological. Destructive disasters are easily happen by heavy rain and strong wind. The record-high torrential rains brought by Typhoon Herb in 1996 led to the breakout of large-scale debris flow disasters along Chengyoulan River in Nantou County. Debris flow has since become synonymous of slopeland disaster. In 2009, Typhoon Morakot brought 3,000 millimeters precipitation to the mountains of central and southern Taiwan within 72 hours. The extremely torrential rain resulted in a catastrophic disaster, especially in Xiaolin Village, Kaohsiung City. This kind of large-scale sediment and flood compound disasters must be the greatest challenge in the future. In 1999, the Soil and Water Conservation Bureau was attached to the Council of Agriculture Executive Yuan. The Bureau is in charge of slopeland utilization and management, debris flow disaster prevention and response, 921 earthquake reconstruction, slopeland conservation, slopeland investigation and planning, rural village planning and development, engineering quality control, education and promotion, etc. The Debris Flow Disaster Prevention Center was formed in 2008. The government adopted the Rural Regeneration Act in 2010 and appointed the Soil and Water Conservation Bureau in charge of promotion. The Research and Technology Development Team was formed in 2016. The Soil and Water Conservation Bureau is the competent authority for soil and water conservation in Taiwan. The Bureau's main tasks include slopeland management, torrent control, and debris flow disaster prevention and response, as well as rural villages planning and sustainable management, are important objects for the new era. Taiwan's total land area is 36,000 square kilometers, and slopeland reaches 26,000 square kilometers. Soil and water conservation work face more and more challenging because of landslides, complex landslides, debris flow, and other natural disasters caused by the extreme weather of recent years, as well as improper development and use. To relieve the public from the threats of slopeland disasters, the Bureau constantly promotes total watershed management and disaster prevention works based on 3 strategies: management, governance, and disaster prevention. The Bureau builds a slopeland disaster prevention system for community safety to strengthen soil and water conservation, advocating disaster prevention education, and implementing slopeland monitoring management to maintain a healthy and safety slopeland environment.